Hello everyone, this is Mr. Selmane. معكم الأستاذ سلمان. In today's video, our trip will be to a place we all visit almost every day. يعني الفيديو اليوم راح يكون في مكان نزوره كل يوم. This supermarket. The supermarket. Bread, milk, vegetables and fruits, etc. Everything around us is a fantastic opportunity to learn English words and phrases used in our daily lives. Get ready and let's start our English shopping tour. Ready? Let's go. Welcome to the supermarket. As soon as we walk in, we see so many different sections. Yes, fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables section. This section is full of colors and healthy. Here we have apples. Apples. These are apples. Bananas. These are bananas. And oranges. Oranges. And these are tomatoes and cucumbers. How do we ask for the price of something? It's very simple. We can ask, how much are the apples? How much are the apples? Or we can say, what's the price of the bananas? What's the price of the bananas? The answer could be, they are $2. It means the price is $2. The price of the bananas is $2. The diary section. We go to the diary section. Here we find milk, yogurt, and cheese. Milk cartons, yogurt caps, various cheeses. If you want to buy milk, you can say, I need a liter of milk. Or you can say, I need a carton of milk. And if you want yogurt, you can say, I'll take 2 yogurts, please. If you want to know about a specific type of cheese, you can ask, like this, do you have cheddar cheese? Let's move on to the bakery section. Yummy! The smell alone is amazing. Here we have different types of bread. Croissants, cakes. Here you can ask, is this bread fresh? So you want to know if this bread is fresh or no. We are finished our shopping. Now let's go to the checkout. To pay, when it's your turn, the cashier might say, next please, or are you ready? You can ask them for the total amount. You say, or you ask, how much is the total? When paying, you have 2 options, cash or card. If you are paying with cash, you say, here is cash. If by card, you will say, I will pay by card. After you're done, or you would say, thank you. Have a nice day. It's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or want to learn other phrases, write them in the comments and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to get all the new videos. See you in other new videos. Goodbye.